Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi dengan saya Nunu Hikaru dan sahabat kita Alexa.
Hello, my name is Alexa. I will read you a story about what we drew today.
Dan hari ini kita akan menggambar chainsawman. Ya, chainsawman dari seri animasi Chainsawman.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share ya ke teman-teman kalian. Terima kasih.
Chainsawman is a Japanese shonen manga series written and illustrated by Tatsuki Fujimoto. This manga has been serialized in Shueisha's weekly Shonen Jump magazine since December 2018, and has been published in 14 tankobon volumes as of April 2023. Viz Media licensed the manga for an English language release in North America. The first volume was published in October 2020. Denji has a simple dream, to live happily and peacefully, spending time with the girl he likes. However, this is far from reality, as Denji is forced by the Yakuza to kill demons in order to pay off his huge debt. Using his pet demon Pochita as a weapon, he is ready to do anything for a little money. Unfortunately, he had outlived his usefulness and was killed by a demon contracted with the Yakuza. However, in an unexpected turn of events, Pochita merges with Denji's corpse and gives him the power of a chainsaw demon. Now able to turn parts of his body into chainsaws, a revived Denji uses his new abilities to quickly and brutally defeat his enemies. Staring into the eyes of the official demon hunters who arrived on the scene, he was offered a job at the Public Security Bureau as one of them. Now with the means to take on even the toughest foes, Denji will stop at nothing to achieve his simple teenage dream. Chainsawman is a manga series written and illustrated by Tatsuki Fujimoto. This manga began serialization in the first issue of Weekly Shonen Jump magazine published by Shueisha on December 3, 2018. The individual chapters have been published by Shueisha into several tankobon volumes. The first volume was published by Shueisha on March 4, 2019. As of April 4, 2023, 14 volumes have been published. For North America, Viz Media released the first 3 chapters in Weekly Shonen Jump magazine for their Jump Start program. The latest chapters are currently being released through the Shonen Jump digital platform after Weekly Shonen Jump magazine ceased publication. Shueisha has also been releasing the series in English via its Manga Plus platform since January 2019. In February 2020, Viz Media announced that it would be releasing the manga in both print and digital formats. The first volume in English was published on October 6, 2020. The manga has also been licensed in France by Kaze, in Italy by Panini Comics, in Spain by Norma Editorial, in Poland by Wanako, and in Germany by Egmont Manga. That was a little story about Chainsawman. Hopefully increase your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Here and up, there, here, up, there, up, everywhere. Old MacDonald
Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will